Question 8. It has been given that magnitude of A is 8, B is 3, and for A cross B, the magnitude is 12. What we have to find is the magnitude of A dot B. So there are actually two approaches to this. We can follow either. Let's start with what has been given. So it's A cross B, which is this. If that's the case, you have everything that you want. So 24 sine theta. Sine theta becomes 1 by 2. Cos theta, cos square theta becomes 1 minus sine square theta, which is 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. What you want is A dot B. So A dot B is equal to, A dot B was actually supposed to be AB cos theta, right? Like that. And since you take magnitude, it becomes magnitude here as well. I can write that cos square theta is 3 by 4. So cos theta is plus minus root 3 by 2. But since I'm using mod, I can say this is root 3 by 2. So your answer becomes 8, 3 root 3 by 2, which becomes 12 root 3. So answer option C becomes your correct answer. Now, what was the other way that I was talking about we can do it? So that is very dependent on if you know this identity or not. Some people don't call it this also. It is called dot cross identity, Lagrange's formula, Lagrange's identity, whatever. How it looks is I can tell you that, which is also a very simple proof, but we are not here for the proof. It looks like A cross B का magnitude square A dot B square is equal to multiplication of magnitude of these. If you do that, what you get is, let's write that. So we have this already. So 12 square is 144 plus this is what we have to find, like x square basically. We want x only, but x square is being asked about. And a square b square. So 64 into 3, 64 into 9. 64 into 9 is 640 minus 64. 80 minus 4, 576. So x square actually becomes 576 minus 144. Now you want to be able to find root 432. So yeah, I mean, that's the answer. So root 432 would look like, you can just cross check the options also. Uh, so A option is 36 into 3, 108, not working. 64 into 3, again not working. 9 into 12 not working. So option C again. However, if you solve it, actually 432 ka root, you'll basically get it. I can write it also. This must be looking like 3 into 144. If you do that, you get 12 root 3. So again, option C is your correct answer.